So this is my desk, and as you can see, there are trenches in it, so I can lose screws, I can lose things into it, and it's annoying. So I wanted to just create a 3D print that will cover this with a logo, something nice, something designed. Then let's go for it. Dimensions, I took them. It should be 29.4 centimeter wide, 1.4 centimeter high, and a depth of 1.6 centimeters. So I do a quick little design in Cinema 4D. I did first a unified piece. The thing is, I can't make it double layer without having technical issues if I have both colors directly printed at the same time. So I have to split both prints. So I will do one print in black and then one print in turquoise. Then I export it in OBJ for Cura. Now in Cura I already have my presets for the Ender 3 Max. So for some reason Cura is always interpreting all dimensions in millimeters, while I do the design in centimeters. So I have to upscale the design 10 folds, which means a scale of 1000% unified. I apply that, I make sure everything's fine, and then I export both items as G-code. So let's move now to the 3D printer. Okay, so the last filament I used was broken, but I don't want to waste it. I'd rather use what is inside the machine, and I don't mind too much having a bit of white at the beginning because it will be hidden anyways. And it will be for one layer, so it's negligible. The thing is that the black filament wouldn't enter into the tube, the one that feeds the printing head. So I had to play a bit back and forth for 10 minutes, trying to find a way to place that wire in the hole, and had to cut and adjust the filament, but in the end of the day it worked, so it's fine. Anyway, I will let the machine heat by itself and clean the workspace in the meantime. And I double check if the plate is actually flat. So I do that with my iPhone. As you can see, I have an application, Calibut, for that. It goes between 0 and 0.1, which is quite good. It's not perfect, but we don't have any mechanical precision requirements on that item, so it's fine. As you can see, the first layer is white. I really don't mind because it won't be visible. It will be hidden into the trench, as I said. And I just rather use as much as I can, which is already in the machine. It's that or it's gonna go to waste anyway, so ecology. And that's it. Now I just wait. There's 8 hours of printing for the first item. Then for the letters it will be something like 1 hour, something like this. I hope I have enough black filament, but that will be the only limitation, so finger crossed. I will accelerate a bit the video because I don't think you want to check 8 hours of printing, and me neither, so I let it print and I will come back a bit later. So now the first item is printed, I will start the second one, and it should be ready in something like an hour. Okay, perfect. So now let's see if that actually works, because that's the most important thing, is does it actually work? And as you can see, I have it. So this is it. I hope you like it. Share the love, subscribe, and see you for the next one. Peace.